Welcome back to another exciting video. Today I have something really special for you. It's a highly anticipated Xiaomi Pad 6 tablet. As you can see, the box itself is quite sleek and minimalistic, showcasing the Xiaomi logo in bold colors. Let's dive right in and see what's inside. Opening the box, I can't help but feel a rush of excitement. The first thing we find is the Xiaomi Pad 6 tablet itself, wrapped up securely in protective plastic. Wow, just look at that stunning display. The Xiaomi Pad 6 features a large 10.4-inch high-resolution and touchscreen. The bezels are impressively thin, providing immersive viewing experience. Now let's move on to the accessories. Underneath the tablet, we have the USB to C charging cable, the power adapter. Xiaomi always ensures that their products come with top-notch accessories, and this is no exception. The USB Type-C charging cable is not only fast and efficient, but also versatile. It can be used not only for charging the tablet, but also for data transfer and connecting other devices. Turning the tablet around, we have a powerful camera setup. The 13 megapixel rear camera captures stunning photos and videos, while the 5 megapixel front-facing camera is perfect for crystal clear video calls and selfies. The camera per pack is packed with facial, allowing you to unleash your creativity and capture those precious moments with ease. And now let's power this beauty on. Tablet boots up in a matter of seconds thanks to its powerful processor. The mirror interface is clean and user-friendly, making it a breeze to navigate through the various applications and features. One of the standout features of the Xiaomi Pad 6 is its audio prowess. With quad speakers tuned by Dolby Atmos, you can expect a truly immersive audio experience while watching movies or listening to music. The colors on the screen are vibrant and the images are crystal clear, making it perfect for entertainment purposes. With a massive battery capacity, you can enjoy hours of uninterrupted usage on a single charge. The picture quality is truly impressive, and I can't wait to take this out for a spin. And there you have it, folks. The unboxing and first impressions of the Xiaomi Pad 6 tablet. From its sleek design to its powerful performance and stunning display, this tablet is definitely a winner. Thanks for joining me on this exciting unboxing journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech content. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.